In this tutorial, you will discover how to use Ewincher, the electric winch handle. Ewincher is supplied with all the accessories needed to use it. It is very easy to start Ewincher. You switch on the electric handle by pushing the button under the battery. The LED indicator lights up in green. To fit Ewincher on your winch, you need to unlock the locking mechanism of the handle. To achieve this, you just need to press the same button as the one you used for starting it, placed under the battery. The locking mechanism is used to secure Ewincher on your winch. How is your Ewincher used in electric mode? To use Ewincher in electric mode, you need to press the push button on the handle and hold the handle in place. You can control the trimming speed according to the pressure that you exert on the button. The harder you press, the faster you haul in. Ewincher will do the work for you. The only effort required by you is to hold the handle still. To achieve that, we advise you to position your arm at a right angle to the handle. As soon as the effort increases, move your shoulders back and adopt a slightly heeling posture in relation to the handle so as to retain it with the aid of your body weight. It is possible to use Ewincher electric mode with the 2 gears of your winch. The green light indicates that you are using the first gear of your winch, the fast speed. The purple light indicates that you are using the second gear of your winch, the low speed. There are 2 ways for changing gears. You can pivot Ewincher from one side of your winch to the other. Ewincher automatically detects that you want to change the gear. Alternatively, you can lightly press the upper button on your Ewincher handle. How is your Ewincher used in manual mode? To use Ewincher like a manual handle, you need to keep the upper button on the handle pressed down. If you do not push this button, Ewincher is disengaged. This enables you to choose the starting position on your winch. Once you have selected the ideal position to start grinding your winch manually, keep the upper button pressed. You can then use Ewincher as a manual handle, whether your winch is in first or second gear. You can even use Ewincher like a ratchet wrench. Imagine that you wish to set the last centimeter of your genoa in strong wind or under a very strong load. You choose the ideal starting angle, you activate the manual mode, and you trim your Ewincher using your body weight. As soon as the handle position is no longer ideal, quit the manual mode and Ewincher is once again disengaged. You reposition it and trim again using your body weight and so on until you are satisfied with your setting. How is your Ewincher used in combined mode? You just need to use Ewincher's electric mode in first or second gear and complete with your own hauling by going against the torque. This is particularly helpful when you do not have much tension in the ropes and wish to haul in very quickly. Ewincher's electric mode already provides a trim ratio of 85 RPM. By completing with your own hauling, you can then easily haul in at 140 RPM, even faster than competitors. As the maneuver proceeds, the tension in your ropes will increase. When the resistance becomes too strong to use the combined mode, you just need to stop completing the electric mode with your own hauling and return to electric mode only. When and how do you charge your Ewincher? When your battery begins to become discharged, the red light flashes. You need to think about charging it. The Ewincher application on your smartphone provides more detailed information regarding the charging level of your battery. To charge it, connect the red and black connectors with the red and black battery connectors. If you charge using the shore power, connect the sector plug in the bulkhead socket. If you charge using service batteries, connect the converter and connect the main power to it. It is preferable to charge the Ewincher battery after each day's use. In this way, you will have enough power for the next day's maneuvers. Before a period without use, it is recommended to fully charge your Ewincher, disconnect the winch handle battery. How can you connect your Ewincher to your smartphone? The Ewincher app is available on Google Play and Apple Store with free downloading. To connect your Ewincher to your smartphone, ensure that the app in your smartphone is closed. Switch on your Ewincher. Launch the Ewincher app. As soon as your Ewincher is connected, the light will flash in purple and you will see the information related to your handle on the screen. The time of use, the force exerted with your Ewincher, the power, the battery charge level, and above all, you will be able to set the torque limiter. How can you set and use the torque limiter? Your handle has a torque limiter that can be adjusted to your use, notably to avoid injuries or damage to your boat. Open your application and click on the Device Setup rubric. You can select the maximum load at which the torque limiter triggers and disengages the Ewincher motor. You need to define the maximum load that you wish to hold with your arm and that you do not want to exceed. This load is expressed in kilograms, and you can set it between 10 and 32 kilograms. If it is set at 15 kilograms, your Ewincher will disengage each time that the load held by your arm exceeds 15 kilograms.